Do you have your own business or do you own an LLC? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. And as a business owner, you have so many things to keep track of and juggle, whether it be your bookkeeping, your finances, your taxes. The list just goes on and on and on. The problem is, if you run a successful business, you don't have time to keep up with all the changes in the tax code or any kind of financial law. And the problem with that is that FINCEN, or the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, they required for all businesses and LLCs to register with them. So what does that mean for us business owners? In this video, I'll go over what it means, who needs to register, and actually go over what the penalties are for failing to register with FINCEN. In 2021, Congress passed the Corporate Transparency Law, and this law was designed to combat people, or as they call them, bad actors. And no, I'm not talking about Steven Seagal. Basically, the need to register each and every single business in LLC is to know who exactly is behind that entity. This was done to combat different money laundering schemes and just to know who exactly is receiving the benefits from this business. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go over who actually needs to register. And reading directly off of the FINCEN website, it says that all domestic and foreign reporting companies must register with them. They sure don't make it easy for all of us to understand. To put it into layman's terms, basically every corporation, every LLC, or any type of entity that was created by filing with your local state or with any other type of office. Now, if you want, I'll post a flow chart. That way you can pause and look over to see if your reporting company needs to be reported with FINCEN. And as with all laws, nothing is just that simple. There actually are 23 types of companies that are exempt from filing with FINCEN. Now go ahead and press pause. That way you can look over and see if your company is exempt. Now, when you originally registered your business or created your LLC, obviously you paid a fee either to the state or the federal government, and then you had to obtain a bunch of other different licenses. But the one good thing about BOI reporting is that you don't have to pay anything. If you go directly to the FINCEN website, they'll walk you through step by step exactly how to register your LLC or your business. And if all that does seem a little bit scary, there are different companies that are offering that same service, but you're going to have to pay a fee. A lot of them are offering it for $200+ and some as high as $700. Stay tuned, because later I'll post a video exactly how to do your own BOI reporting, and I'll walk you through step by step, and it'll be completely free. Although the law was passed several years ago, the requirement started January 1st, 2024 to register your company. And the rules are this: if you created your LLC or reporting company before January 1st, 2024, then you have 1 year to register your company. That means by December 31st, you have to register with BOI. But if you created your company in 2024, then they give you 90 calendar days to report your company to BOI. And if you decide to start a new business in 2025, that number goes down to only 30 calendar days. Now let's talk about something a little more scary. What happens if you don't register with BOI reporting? Well, as of right now, and again, I'm getting all of this information straight off the FINCEN website. If you fail to do the BOI reporting for any LLCs that you are an owner of, you can get hit with a fine of $500 per day. Now, adjusted for inflation, that's about $591 per day as of right now. And it gets even worse. You can get up to 2 years in federal prison, as well as a fine of up to $10,000. So please, if you're a business owner, go ahead and go to the FINCEN website, go to the BOI reporting, and register yourself for free. I'm also gonna go ahead and link every single thing that I talked about in this video and post the FAQ from the FINCEN website in the description of this video, so just read below.